Hello, friends. Good afternoon. I am Dr. G.K. Kapoor, and today recording a talk on Are you 60 plus? If you are 60 plus, then this write up is certainly for you. And if you are not 60 plus, then again this write up is for you. अरे सठिया गए क्या और सठिया गई क्या बुढ़िया were quite common till a few years back. It was felt that a 60 plus man or woman becomes senile, sunky. Also, she keeps coughing. Therefore, people used to say कि घर में एक बुड्ढा जरूर होना चाहिए, चोर घर में नहीं आते. I distinctly remember an ad for Chyawanprash. I believe it was Jandu Chyawanprash, showing a 60 plus man climbing up the stairs running, and the message was 60 साल के बूढ़े या 60 साल के जवान. If you are 60 plus today, forget all about that. Longevity has increased. Average age has gone up. Government employees and PSU employees used to retire at the age of 58 years, which has now been increased to 62 and 60 respectively. And in certain cases, say central universities, IITs, and IIMs, the retirement of the teaching staff has been raised to 65, and that of the non teaching staff in most of these cases is 62. A notification issued by the Government of India on 5th of February 2021 says that from July next year, that is July 2022, the retirement age of central government employees will be raised from 62 to 63, and the re-employment age from 67 to 68 years. This is part of a gradual increase that will ultimately set the retirement age at 65 and the re-employment age at 70 years by the year 2030. I am a member of a group of 70 plus. I will be 73 on 6th of October 2021. In our society, the group every day meets in the morning, do certain simple exercises, clap, laugh in unison, recite certain bhajans. They are all, touch wood, absolutely fit, and most of them free from any serious health problems. Also, most of them do walking for around 3 kilometers or more. The other day, I joined a birthday party of a member of this group who completed his 85 years on this planet. Mr. Sharma is very healthy even at 85 and walks for around 5 kilometers or could be even more every day. Dhawan Saab. Another member is an ever smiling face. He is, I believe, 75 plus and very healthy. Again, Chug Saab has a fantastic memory. He is the lead for bhajans. So forget that you are 60 plus and have become old. Presently, it is being said that the life begins at 60. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up your bags and go out and visit various places which you had planned but could not for various reasons. In Mauritius, my first foreign destination, I met a couple who were, if I correctly remember, from Australia, were 82 years old and very healthy and agile. They said they visit some foreign country every year. That's the enthusiasm we Indians lack. Don't sit back and fall in depression or suffer from dementia or Alzheimer. Oh, just remember, I read somewhere that one of the reasons for Alzheimer is to eat food cooked in aluminum vessels. Avoid aluminum utensils to the extent possible. You could replace these aluminum utensils with stainless steel utensils. So, friends, age is just a number, a state of mind. Some 60 plus will be found saying, I have become old, therefore I don't remember things, names of people. I know of a friend, Professor Sidney Ribeiro, who remembers he's, I believe, 68 around, and remembers not only the names of his friends, but also their families, their children, grandchildren, and so on. So it's just a feeling, a state of mind. One will be found saying that I go to the kitchen, open the fridge, and feel I don't remember what the hell for I had come. Maybe after a while he remembers. This is a complex which some people unnecessarily carry. It happens with anyone, not only with old people. Don't carry that complex. It is just the volume of information that we oldies carry in our head that we experience more often. I have seen videos of persons who are 102 years old and still dancing. There is also a Bollywood film, Hindi film, made with Amitabh Bachchan in the lead, 102 not out. Feel motivated. In fact, certain people started a new career after 60. I believe even a very famous actor, Boman Irani, also started his acting career during the later part of his life. Feel young at heart, even if the mirror says otherwise. Or middle aged beautiful woman address you as Uncle G. Ignore the mirror image or being so addressed by beautiful woman. Remain active. do meditation, light yoga exercises, walk for at least 3 kilometers every day, eat good and healthy food, including nuts, fruits, raw vegetables, and other fiber rich cereals like oats, grams, millets, etc. Take care with best wishes. Thank you.